The best open AI model on the planet just went free, and you almost certainly can't run it. Last week, a Chinese lab called Moonshot dropped Kimi K3, not a demo, not an API, the actual model waits, straight onto Hugging Face for anyone to download. And it's not some also ran. On the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, Kimi K3 sits at number 1 among open models with a score of 57. The next best open model, GLM 5.2, is back at 51. So the thing you can now download for free is beating the thing your favorite lab wants $20 a month for. Cue every tech channel losing their mind. The best AI on Earth is free. China just ended OpenAI. You know the drill. Here's the part they skip. Kimi K3 is 2.8 trillion parameters. Now, it's clever about it. Only about 100 billion of those actually fire on any given answer, so it's faster than that number sounds. And it's got a memory big enough to swallow an entire codebase in one go. On paper, dreamy. On your hard drive, it's a 1.56 terabyte download, split across 96 files. To run it at full quality, you're not looking at a gaming PC. You're looking at a small server rack that costs more than a car. So free is doing a lot of heavy lifting in that sentence. And here's the bit that actually annoys me. Go search Run Kimi K3 for free, and you'll find 100 tutorials. Watch closely. Almost none of them are running anything. They're signing you up to someone else's API, a company that downloaded the model onto their servers and is renting it back to you by the word. Which is fine. But that's not you running a free model. That's you being a customer with extra steps. The free part is real. The you can run it yourself part is the fantasy. So who is this actually for? Real answer. Companies. If you're a startup that would have paid a big lab a fortune every month, you can now take a number 1 model, run it on your own hardware, keep every byte of your data in-house, and never send a single request to OpenAI or Anthropic again. That's the story. That's why open weights matter. Not because your laptop is about to become a super intelligence, but because the gap between the best model and a model you fully own just collapsed. For the rest of us, the honest version is this. You'll use Kimi K3 through some hosted service, same as always, and you'll benefit from it quietly making everything cheaper. Which is great. Just don't let a thumbnail convince you you're about to run the world's smartest AI off a laptop in your bedroom. So, is it a big deal? Yes. A genuinely top-tier model just became something anyone can download and pick apart? That's a real shift. Is it free AI for you tonight? On your machine? Not even close. It's free the way a fighter jet is free if someone leaves the blueprints on the internet. That's the signal. The rest is noise. Subscribe if you want it before everyone else. See you next runtime.